What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are most welcome. Alright guys, so in today's video I am going to be giving you a remedy that would make you look younger and your skin would look glowing and flawless. No dark spots, no pimples, no blackheads and whiteheads. Like, are you aiming to have that kind of skin? And have you been actually using some stuff and it's not working for you? And have you been like, oh my god, what am I going to use now? What am I going to use now? Lament no more, baby girl. Okay, because you are at the right video. This remedy I'm going to be showing you today is going to help your skin a whole lot. It's going to remove all of those stuff you don't want, trust me. Okay, so let's dive into this video. But before we go, please thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Drop any curious questions at my website. The link will be at my description box. Alright, let's go. We're going to be making use of aloe vera, guys. You can either use this one or you use this one. Okay, but for this treatment I'm going to be using this particular aloe vera. It's great for dry and irritated skin, and it's also a therapy that moisturizes the skin and removes sunburns and remove age spots. Okay, alright, so for the aloe vera I'm going to be pumping out 1 full tablespoon of this. Okay, alright, it's actually very pure and 100%. It has no alcohol and no added color. We're going to be needing pure gram flour. Okay, let me show you the name. Gram flour. Alright, so this is actually what we're going to be needing to renew age, remove age spots, and lift up sagging and loose skin. Alright, so this, and then we're going to also be adding the pure gram flour. Alright, so we're going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of that. 1 tablespoon of the gram flour is going to be enough. Going to be making use of is going to be egg. And in this, guys, we're going to be needing all of the egg, both the yolk and the white, because it contains a lot of nutrients that would help so much in firming up and tightening up the skin. Now, to make this better, we're going to be breaking in the egg. Since we'll be needing all of the egg, I'm just going to be breaking in directly into the treatment. And also we're going to be making use of castor oil. Now, castor oil is a very thick oil that increases the elasticity of the skin, therefore makes the skin glow, and it removes wrinkles and fine lines. Now I'm just going to be giving this a little stir. Okay, so there'll be a lot of stirring and mixing, guys, because of the egg whites and the gram flour. It's not gonna be easy to mix, but of course it will mix, and it will mix very well. Alright guys, so for the castor oil, so we can mix all of them together. I'm going to be taking in ½ teaspoon of the castor oil. So that's what you're going to be needing, guys. Now you just relax, take your time, and then you mix this ingredient and you mix really well. Okay, so it's actually starting to be very okay, so you're gonna mix more. It's just going to be very, very, very friendly. Alright guys, so here's the treatment, and excuse the noise of the generator just behind here. It's actually very noisy, but don't mind the noise, don't mind the noise. Okay, so for me, I just love to apply treatment using my hands. Okay, so I'll just use my hands to apply this, and you have to excuse me, let me look at this screen right now so I can see myself while I apply this. Okay, so that's why I just love using towel anytime I want to apply treatment on my face, because it's gonna drop on my clothes. All right, so you have to apply this generously. And you apply or two on at your jawline if you have wrinkles around there. Apply it generously, really well. And then if you want, you can actually give this a scrub. Okay, so after you've applied this, you have to hold it on for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. That's 60 seconds to 120 seconds, like, you know, like that. And after that, then you can go wash it off. Now you have to also wash it off with toilet soap. Okay, hold on. With a toilet soap. I have an homemade, okay, hold on. I have an homemade soap that I use. I made that myself. Okay, so if you want, I would have to make the soap and show you. So now I'm gonna be waiting for like 1 to 2 minutes while I play around in this place, and then I would wash it. Okay, so I'll be right back. Now we're just gonna be washing this off. So you're gonna be pouring water like this onto your face. Okay, so when you're done washing, guys, don't forget to use toilet. Alright, so also wash your jaw line, your neck. Now this treatment, you can store it for a couple of days, approximately 5 days, and afterwards you have to dispose it and make a new one. Okay, otherwise it's gonna go bad, especially with the egg and the ground floor. Now the third day when you store this treatment, it's gonna start smelling. You can actually dispose it and make a new one. Then you can use this 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week, because it's very mild and very soft. So that's it, guys. If you're aiming to have that glowing, flawless and evenly toned skin, use this remedy. Don't underestimate it. It works like magic. Okay, it's gonna be so great on your skin. So that's it. If you love the video, thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay young, stay flawless, stay beautiful, and bye guys.